Are you a finance professional looking to reduce errors in your documents? Then this video is for you.
Balance sheets are one of the most time-consuming tasks for finance teams of all sizes. Processing these documents by hand requires the involvement of multiple stakeholders, including financial assistants and analysts. This results in double handling, numerous errors, and delayed contracts, risking client relationships and frustrating employees.
Keep your data and documents organized with SignNow, an e-signature solution that scales with your workflow. All you need to do to get started is create an account, upload, e-sign, and send your first document in minutes. There's absolutely no training or downloads required. With SignNow, you only pay for features you actually use. Plus, SignNow offers the greatest number of native integrations on the market. This means improved team collaboration and complete visibility of the signing process for you and your team. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses. Got questions? Ask us now in the comments section.